Nestled in the azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea, Capri Island is a vision of paradise. This small yet enchanting island, located off the coast of Italy, has been a magnet for travelers for centuries. Its allure is not just in its stunning landscapes, but also in its rich history and vibrant culture. As you approach Capri by boat, the first thing that strikes you is the island's dramatic cliffs and the deep blue sea that surrounds it. The island seems to rise majestically from the water, offering a promise of adventure and beauty. Sheer cliffs plunge into the turquoise depths, creating a breathtaking contrast that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. These cliffs have stood the test of time, weathering the elements and standing as silent sentinels over the island. The rugged coastline is dotted with hidden coves and grottos, each with its own story to tell. The famous Blue Grotto, with its mesmerizing blue light, is just one of the many natural wonders that Capri has to offer. While vibrant bougainvillea spills over pastel-colored houses, these charming homes with their colorful facades and flower-filled balconies add to the island's picturesque beauty. Walking through the narrow streets of Capri, you are greeted by the sight of blooming flowers at every turn. The island's residents take great pride in their homes, and it shows in the care and attention they give to their gardens. The air is filled with the scent of citrus and the sound of laughter carried on the gentle sea breeze. Lemon and orange trees are a common sight, their fragrant blossoms adding to the sensory experience of the island. The laughter of locals and tourists alike creates a joyful atmosphere, making Capri a place where happiness seems to be in the air. The gentle breeze that blows in from the sea is refreshing, carrying with it the promise of new adventures. Capri is a sensory feast, a place where beauty overwhelms and time seems to stand still. The island's natural beauty is complemented by its serene atmosphere, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you are gazing at the panoramic views from the top of Monte Solaro or simply enjoying a quiet moment by the sea, Capri has a way of making you feel at peace. For centuries, poets, artists, and emperors have succumbed to Capri's enchanting embrace. The island has been a source of inspiration for many, its beauty and charm captured in countless works of art and literature. Ancient villas, once the homes of Roman emperors, stand as a testament to Capri's long and storied history. These historical sites offer a glimpse into the island's past, allowing visitors to step back in time and imagine what life was like in ancient Capri. From the Roman emperors who built their lavish villas on its shores to the modern-day traveler seeking respite from the ordinary, Capri has always held an irresistible allure. The island's luxurious villas, with their stunning views and elegant architecture, continue to attract visitors from around the world. These modern-day retreats offer a perfect blend of comfort and style, providing a sanctuary for those looking to escape the stresses of everyday life. Capri has always held an irresistible allure. Its iconic sites, such as the Faraglioni rock formations and the Piazzetta, are must-see attractions for any visitor. The island's appeal lies not just in its natural beauty, but also in the experiences it offers. From exploring ancient ruins to enjoying a leisurely meal at a seaside cafe, there is something for everyone in Capri. The island's magic lies not just in its breathtaking scenery, but also in its unique atmosphere. There is a sense of timelessness here, a feeling that you are part of something much larger than yourself. The island's culture and traditions are deeply rooted in its history, and this is reflected in everything from its architecture to its cuisine. The essence of Capri is captured in its vibrant festivals, its lively markets, and its warm and welcoming people. There's a palpable sense of history here, a feeling that you're walking in the footsteps of legends. The island's ancient trails and historical paths offer a journey through time, allowing you to explore the rich tapestry of Capri's past. Walking tours are a popular way to discover the island's hidden gems, with knowledgeable guides sharing fascinating stories and insights along the way. Yet Capri is also vibrantly alive, with charming villages, bustling piazzas, and a lively social scene. The island's places are a delight to explore, each with its own unique character and charm. The bustling piazzas are the heart of social life in Capri, where locals and visitors gather to enjoy a coffee, share a meal, or simply watch the world go by. The lively social scene is a testament to the island's vibrant culture and the warmth of its people. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a taste of la dolce vita, Capri promises an unforgettable escape. The island offers a wide range of activities to suit every taste, from hiking and boating to spa treatments and gourmet dining. For those seeking adventure, there are plenty of opportunities to explore the island's rugged terrain and crystal-clear waters. For those looking to relax, there are numerous spots where you can unwind and soak up the sun. Capri promises an unforgettable escape. The island's landscapes are truly unforgettable, with every view more stunning than the last. Whether you are watching the sunset from the top of a cliff or enjoying a quiet moment in a secluded cove, Capri has a way of creating memories that will last a lifetime. The island's beauty and charm are sure to leave a lasting impression on all who visit. Come discover the magic of this Italian gem, where every corner holds a new wonder. Capri is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered, from secret gardens and ancient ruins to charming shops and cozy cafes. Exploring the island's streets is like embarking on a treasure hunt, with each turn revealing something new and exciting. The wonders of Capri are endless, and there is always something new to discover. And every moment is a celebration of life's simple pleasures. In Capri, life is celebrated in the simplest of ways. Whether it's enjoying a delicious meal with friends, taking a leisurely stroll through the village, or simply sitting by the sea and watching the waves, the island's charm lies in its ability to make you appreciate the simple pleasures of life, reminding you that sometimes the best moments are the ones that are unplanned and unexpected. Capri is home to a treasure trove of iconic landmarks, each whispering tales of the island's rich history and captivating beauty. This enchanting island has been a magnet for travelers, artists, and dreamers for centuries. Its allure lies not just in its stunning landscapes, but also in the stories that have shaped its identity over millennia. From ancient Roman emperors to modern-day celebrities, Capri has always been a place of fascination and wonder. No trip to Capri is complete without a visit to the Blue Grotto, a mesmerizing sea cave where sunlight creates an ethereal blue glow. This natural wonder is accessible only by small boats, adding to its mystique. As you glide through the narrow entrance, the cave opens up to reveal a world bathed in an otherworldly azure light. The experience is nothing short of magical, leaving visitors in awe of nature's artistry. The Blue Grotto has inspired countless legends and continues to be a highlight for anyone visiting Capri. Legend has it that the grotto was once a private swimming pool for Roman emperors. These rulers, known for their opulence and love of beauty, were drawn to Capri's serene and picturesque environment. The island's historical ruins and ancient architecture stand as a testament to its storied past. Walking through these remnants of history, one can almost hear the echoes of the past, feel the presence of those who once walked these paths, and imagine the grandeur of the Roman Empire at its peak. High above the shimmering sea, the gardens of Augustus offer breathtaking panoramic views of the island and the Faraglioni, Capri's iconic rock formations. These gardens, meticulously designed and maintained, provide a tranquil escape from the bustling tourist spots. The Faraglioni, rising majestically from the sea, are a sight to behold, especially when viewed from the vantage points within the gardens. The interplay of natural beauty and human artistry here is truly captivating. Stroll through the meticulously manicured gardens, adorned with vibrant flowers and sculptures, and lose yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. Each corner of the gardens of Augustus offers a new perspective, a new delight for the senses. The vibrant colors of the flowers, the intricate designs of the sculptures, and the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze create a symphony of sights and sounds that soothe the soul. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the moment. The heart of Capri beats in the Piazzetta, a charming square that epitomizes Italian life. This bustling hub is where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. The Piazzetta is more than just a square. It's a living, breathing entity that captures the essence of Capri. Here you can witness the vibrant tapestry of daily life, from animated conversations to leisurely strolls, all set against the backdrop of historic buildings and charming cafes. Sip on a cappuccino at a sidewalk cafe, watch the world go by and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this bustling gathering place. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the sound of laughter and chatter, and the sight of people enjoying their day create a sensory experience that is quintessentially Italian. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, the Piazzetta offers a slice of life that is both timeless and unforgettable. It's a place where memories are made, and the spirit of Capri comes alive. Capri's rugged coastline is punctuated by hidden coves and picturesque beaches, each offering a unique slice of paradise. For a taste of glamour, head to Marina Piccola, a favorite haunt of celebrities and sunseekers. Relax on the pebbled shore, take a dip in the crystal-clear waters, and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Adventure awaits at Bagni di Tiberio, a secluded cove accessible only by boat or a scenic hike. Legend has it that this was the private swimming spot of the Roman Emperor Tiberius. Today it's a tranquil haven for swimming, snorkeling, and soaking up the island's natural beauty. Whispers of the past, a Capri legend. Capri is an island steeped in history and legend. One such legend tells the tale of the sirens, mythical creatures said to lure sailors to their deaths with their enchanting voices. According to Homer's Odyssey, Odysseus had his men tie him to the mast of his ship as they sailed past Capri, so he could hear the siren's song without succumbing to their deadly allure. Some say the siren's mythical island was, in fact, Capri. The island's rugged beauty and the mesmerizing call of the waves crashing against the cliffs certainly lend credence to the legend. Hidden Gems unveiling Capri's secrets. Capri, an island renowned for its stunning landscapes and luxurious lifestyle, holds many secrets beyond its famous attractions. Beyond the well-trodden paths, Capri holds hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Tucked away from the bustling crowds, these hidden pathways and secluded beaches offer a serene escape. Imagine walking through narrow trails surrounded by lush greenery, leading you to pristine beaches, where the only sound is the gentle lapping of waves. Escape the crowds and discover the tranquility of Villa Jovis, the ruins of a grand Roman palace perched atop Mount Tiberio. This historical site offers a glimpse into the opulent past of Capri, where Emperor Tiberius once ruled. As you wander through the ancient ruins, the panoramic views of the azure sea below will leave you in awe. Explore the ancient ruins, imagine the opulence that once filled these halls, and enjoy breathtaking views that stretch as far as the Amalfi Coast. The remnants of grand halls and intricate mosaics tell stories of a bygone era, while the scenic vistas provide a perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. For a taste of local life, venture into the charming village of Anacapri, nestled high above the main town of Capri. This quaint village offers a stark contrast to the more touristy areas, with its peaceful ambiance and traditional charm. Wander through narrow streets lined with artisan workshops, savor authentic Italian cuisine at family-run trattorias, and discover a slower pace of life. The locals here are warm and welcoming, eager to share their rich culture and traditions. Whether you're sampling homemade limoncello or browsing through handcrafted goods, Anacapri offers an authentic taste of Italian island life. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips about Island of Capri and your travel to Italy.